Mr. Speaker, I have a problem with the transparency on actual cash transfers. Early this year, the Treasurer failed to table the final budget outcome for 2023.
Yes.
In that report, which came out of Treasury, a total of 1 billion kina was transferred to certain provinces, as indicated in that report. To this day, we have not been told which special provinces received this 1 billion kina. One province, I hear, received 280 million kina.
My goodness.
And they bought buildings in Port Moresby with that.
Wow.
So, Yuplo, Sepik, or Simbu, or Central, or New Island,
Western Province.
who side through Ikisim, Sampla scale Blodesla 1 billion treasurer. I hope maybe in January or February when we sit again, you can bring that report to the floor. They are very large capital items. And our good Minister for Finance who just spoke, I asked him about 1.15 billion last week, and he denied any knowledge of it. So I remind you, good Finance Minister, on page 230 to 235, Volume 2, Part A of this budget that we are going to pass now, next year, you are being given another 1.15 billion. Tubla now? When are you going to tell the people of Papua New Guinea what you have done with that money? This is not million, this is billion. 2.3 billion.
We have to know.
The people need to know. You know can point lohap. You talk, you know sabe ya. Na me talking you page them stop long.